Man, years keep self nearly done with Verena's achievement, no matter I am or what I am doing, my heart always finds it way back to you. It like a compass pointing towards my true north. You each moment apart just reminds me how much you mean to me and how deeply I cherish our connection. Your love is the beacon that guides me through every storms. Even I second every uncertainty. Feeling in love with you is second best thing in the world. Finding you was the first. Every time I sense has been a beautiful journey of discovering more about you and feeling deeper in love with you. Our story is my favorite, and I cannot wait to see that the future hold. Each chapter we write together is filled with love and light are making our book the best story ever told. Your love is the strength that purple is my word is giving me the courage of face my challenge with you my side. I feel invincible and ready to conversing the world. Your unwavering supports fill me with a sense of purpose and determinations of achieve my dream. You inspire me to be the best version of myself, and I am considered grateful for your energy meeting friends as Esther approaches celebration for many. I'd love to facilitate a spirit of interfaith understanding and goodwill as we come together to acknowledge the values that unite us. Let's take opportunities to learn from each other, sharing the joy of the seasons and spreads love, kindness, compassion. Wishing you all a blessed and joyous us stars. Do not wanted to love that I. If you can find it to change in my heart, please do. I love you, baby. What I did to deserve this treatment, come and let us to talk about this. Do not know why I can love you from the depth of my heart. There are no matters describes how much you mean to me. You are bright so much happiness into my life, and I cannot thank you for all the love and support it you are giving me. I promise to always preach you to love you with all my heart. No, never let you go. You are my soulmate, my best friend, and the souls of my life. And I will be everything in my power to make you happy. You are the love of my life and cannot imagine a day without you in it. You brought so much joy and happiness into my life. Wardell, I am grateful for all the love and support it you given me. I promise to always you love you, precious every moment we share and never to take you for granted. You are my heart, my soul, and my everything, and I spend the rest of my life making sure you know just how much you mean to me. How are you, my love? This is our new man, son. This is where we would live when we are together after making the marriage process. This house cost million of dollar, and I know you would like it. You are everything to me, and I love you now. Cannot give the wordle, but can give me my heart, my love, and my affection. I promise to stay to you, hold on you for as long as you let me thoughts. I cannot give you the wordle. I do everything I can to make you as happy I can be. My sides feel like I am the king of the world right now because I found my love. I feel so lucky to have you in my life. And I think of my lucky stars every day for bringing you into my world. You are my best friend, my best girlfriends, confident and my partner in crime. With you my side, it love is adventures filled with lighters, love and endless possibilities. Cannot wait to see future hold for you, but on things for it. Long as I have now that everything will be okay. Distance me a little.